My placement with British Gypsum has been one of the most valuable experiences in my life. After spending 3 years in university gaining the technical knowledge and skill set required to be a mechanical engineer, this placement provided me with the opportunity to experience how they translated into the real world.
Being able to apply the theory I've learned at university into a professional environment whilst gaining practical industrial experience has been amazing.
Working in BG as part of my degree from University of Leeds has been an incredible experience. The most important lesson that I've taken away is how the theory taught at university translates into real life on a production plant.
Being entrusted with a few projects and working as the co-production lines engineer, I have been able to develop various skill sets that will aid my personal and professional life moving forward. As the line engineer of the Cove line, I quickly came to appreciate my role as an engineer, the challenges, the expectations and the importance it came with. This role involved maintaining the equipment on the line and ensuring that the line ran as smoothly as possible. It came with a lot of responsibility as I was in charge of planning shutdowns. This required me to find out the current problems with the line, prioritize them, planning jobs for the craftsmen and also source parts.
My first project consisted of the HRA optimization where I took complete leadership of. This required me to speak to people from different disciplines and departments. I had to plan inspection of the screws and then measure throughputs. I also had to take samples of the HRA and communicate with the lab team to carry out rigging and setting time tests. I also got to work on the foam generator on Cove to set target density for each family group for stable slurry, thus reducing wet scrap. And I also organised trials. I've also worked on the dryer temperatures on Cove, which consisted of putting data loggers in and seeing the temperature profile of the material. This required a lot of planning and time management. I also got to carry this out on BP2 where I was able to produce temperature profile in all products. This was also done by inputting data loggers into the boards. I've been part of trials where I've helped out and made important contributions, and I've learned how to react and deal in certain situations. I've also worked on 2 group projects with the mill team. This included the stucco cooler project and vertical project, which were both WCM tools.
One of my first projects involved working on dry efficiency of BP2 line to see any remarkable differences. One of my main projects throughout my time at BG has involved working on designing a heat map as part of 2050 Paris Agreement for the whole site, because the energy consumption was also unknown ever since the switch to ROC from DSG. The heat map will be used for energy purposes, and I also did a project involving GRG dry analysis where the data I collected has already been used to improve some of the process. I had the opportunity to work with different people from different engineering disciplines as well as operators on the shop floor, and it has boosted my confidence greatly and helped me navigate my ideas within a team. Visiting different sites with the team has been helpful in understanding how business works on a bigger scale.
The best part of it all was knowing I was never alone and I had a remarkable mentor as well as an amazing team I could rely on. It has helped me to develop leadership, communication, problem solving, teamwork and time management skills, to name a few.
From this experience, I've definitely gained a lot more confidence and knowledge. I've also learned the importance of safety, and I can now apply this knowledge into my daily life or anywhere else that I go. My placement year at British Gypsum has been amazing, and one of the best things has been the support of my manager, who's always made sure to communicate with me and ask me if there's anything else I've been wanted to be a part of.
The skills I gained, for example, communicating through the team, real-life application of theory, problem solving, are important building blocks of a process engineer's career, and they wouldn't have been possible at university. I have thoroughly enjoyed my time here at BG as it has equipped me with skills that I will take throughout my career.